Lock washers are used to prevent nuts and bolts from loosening, especially in environments with vibration or movement. Their design incorporates a spring action that maintains tension between the washer and the nut, resisting any tendency for the nut to rotate and back off the threads. In the described Unistrut assembly with a 1/2-inch threaded rod, a 1/2-inch nut, a Unistrut washer, the Unistrut itself, another strut washer, the lock washer, and another 1/2-inch nut, placing the lock washer on the bottom of the load, meaning directly under the nut closest to the base of the structure, is the recommended practice. This placement is optimal because it maximizes the effectiveness of the lock washer's spring action. When the bottom nut is tightened, the lock washer is compressed against the Unistrut washer. This compression creates a continuous spring force against the nut, preventing it from loosening over time due to vibrations or other external forces. The spring action essentially increases the friction between the nut and the washer, making it harder for the nut to rotate. If the lock washer were placed on top, above the Unistrut, its effectiveness would be reduced. While it might still provide some resistance to loosening, the spring action would not be as directly opposed to the forces tending to loosen the nut securing the Unistrut. The primary goal is to maintain constant pressure against the nut that is directly bearing the load or subject to vibration. By placing the lock washer on the bottom, any movement or vibration is immediately countered by the spring force of the washer, maintaining the tightness of the connection. Furthermore, placing the lock washer on the bottom allows for easier adjustment of the Unistrut's level. By adjusting the bottom nut, the height and level of the Unistrut can be fine-tuned without compromising the security of the connection. The lock washer ensures that once the desired position is achieved, the nut will remain securely in place. In summary, always install the lock washer on the bottom of the determined load in a Unistrut assembly. This ensures the best possible resistance to loosening and maintains the integrity of the connection over time.